All right. Good evening, everybody.
So today I'm here. Oh, you say good evening.
Good evening, everybody. All right. I hope you are good. It's actually cold over here in Cambodia. I don't know for whatever reasons, but I do know that in the western part of the world and upward, moving up to the North Poles, it's winter right now. We're in the winter season, so it's understandable for I mean, we right here, the Southeast Asia, the weather to be very cold. So pardon the way we talk sometimes. We are affected by the weather. I mean, this is nature. You just can't do without it. Now, before I proceed, seated before me are wonderful Cambodian students. And I mean, I've seen the zeal, the tenacity, the enthusiasm in these children to learn English language. Now, today, before I proceed, I'm going to be telling you something very important that you don't know all of your life. You've not known about it. I'm going to be telling you something very important. So please calm down, keep still, relax, watch the video. Towards the end, you will see what I'm talking about. And there is a star prize that will come after that. So please relax. You will see you will learn what I want to tell you about. It's very, very important. Okay. And then right about now, I want to use this medium to appeal to you. So please, whenever you see our videos pop up on your screen, please do like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel as a way of supporting these wonderful Cambodian students, Cambodian children, because the Cambodian kids matter. Their future is very important. So as a way of supporting their education, please like, comment, share our videos that the whole world may see. These children have recorded some wonderful milestones in acquiring English language skill, communication skill. It's very important. And please, as you are led, do reach out to the school management and see ways you can partner with the school in ways of providing academic materials or sponsoring some of the children from indigent families, indigent homes on scholarship so their future will be secure. For the rest of the teachers here, we are doing best to equip these kids with the best English skill in the world.
Okay. It's too long for me to translate, guys. Chẳng còn dây về việc là lúc chờ bỏ class. Chẳng chỉ là bốn của cơ xong vừa cả chia sẻ và sân chia quạt miền Bắc Hà sầm lệ để xa dương class pro cả thiết dương đang hỏi thà project hay mình trong đây với Campuchia dương chẳng mua đây cho project như thế cứ nó không biết là xin chẳng mua, ok hay còn một quạt nông nôm dương từ riêng với office xong vừa cả chụp tiếp tục đã snap hay showroom like share ទៅកាន់សហគមន៍ពីព្រោះវាជាការគ្រប់គ្រងប្រព័ន្ធអប់រំមួយវាជាការចែករំលែកមួយទៅកាន់សិស្សដទៃទៅកាន់មនុស្សដទៃនេះជាវិធីសាស្ត្រមួយដែលយើងគ្រប់គ្រងការប្រព័ន្ធអប់រំនៅក្នុងប្រទេសយើងអូខេ
All right. So today, my wonderful students, I need you to pay attention because this is entirely new to you. And in the next coming days, this will shape the structure of your learning here at Eagle 5 International School. I will be taking you on a journey to the beautiful island nation called Japan.
អូខេតោះយើងទៅជាមួយគ្នារៀនអំពីកោះមួយប្រទេសដែលស្ថិតនៅក្នុងកោះមួយគឺមានឈ្មោះថាជប៉ុន
So the title is The Beautiful Island Nation, Japan.
ចំណងជើងគឺជាតិសាសន៍មួយនៅកោះមួយឈ្មោះថាជប៉ុន
Japan is a beautiful island country in Asia.
ជប៉ុនគឺជាប្រទេសមួយដ៏ស្រស់ស្អាតដែលស្ថិតនៅលើ
where old traditions and cool modern ideas live side by side.
ជាប្រទេសមួយដែលមានអរិយធម៌វប្បធម៌ដ៏ស្រស់ស្អាត
The capital of Japan is Tokyo.
រាជធានីធំរបស់ប្រទេសជប៉ុនគឺឈ្មោះ Tokyo.
A huge, exciting city full of bright lights.
ជារាជធានីមួយដែលពោពេញ
bright lights.
អូខេពោពេញដោយភ្លើងចម្រុះពណ៌ដ៏ស្រស់ស្អាត
Please.
ទីក្រុងមួយដ៏ធំ huge right?
Okay. Yeah. Don't forget, this is Fun Friday, so we are here to be happy as we are learning. Okay, we're not here for all serious group. No. We're here to have fun as we are learning. So relax your mind. Don't go anywhere. Relax. We are going to take you all around the beautiful island nation, Japan. Back to the study.
Okay, ដោយសារថ្ងៃនេះជាថ្ងៃសុក្រជាថ្ងៃដែល Fun Friday គឺយើងសប្បាយដូច្នេះសូមធ្វើអារម្មណ៍ relax រីករាយជាមួយគ្នាក៏យើងទៅលេងជប៉ុនជាមួយគ្នាទាំងអស់គ្នា
Long ago
ជាយូរឆ្នាំមកហើយ
Japan was ruled by brave warriors called samurai.
ជប៉ុនត្រូវបានគ្រប់គ្រងដោយអ្នកចម្បាំងដ៏ក្លាហានមួយឈ្មោះថា samurai ខមក
and leaders known as shoguns.
Shogun is the name.
Yeah, the name of the leaders.
Okay, ហើយអ្នកចម្បាំងអ្នកដឹកនាំគឺឈ្មោះថា Shogun.
Yes, okay. Shoguns.
អត្ថបទថ្មីទំផ្ញើឲ្យឈើមិញ
Today Japan has an emperor who is a symbol of the country.
ថ្ងៃនេះបច្ចុប្បន្ននេះគឺជប៉ុនមាន empire មានន័យថាអធិរាជ
Yeah.
Let's read again.
Japan has an emperor
ជប៉ុនមានអធិរាជ
who is a special symbol of the country.
គឺជាអ្នកដឹកនាំដ៏ពិសេសមួយនៅក្នុងប្រទេស
and a prime minister
គឺជានាយករដ្ឋមន្ត្រី
who leads the government.
គឺជាអ្នកដឹកនាំរាជរដ្ឋាភិបាលអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវហ្នឹងគឺស្មើនឹង samurai ជំនាន់មុនគេហៅថា samurai ឥឡូវនេះគេហៅថា prime minister វិញ
The Japanese culture. Yes. The Japanese culture is full of fun.
អរិយធម៌របស់ជប៉ុនគឺពោពេញដោយភាពរីករាយ
and interesting things.
ហើយមានរឿងជាច្រើនដែលគួរឲ្យចាប់អារម្មណ៍នៅក្នុងប្រទេសជប៉ុន
People enjoy wearing colorful kimonos.
ប្រជាជនគឺរីករាយក្នុងការស្លៀកពាក់សម្លៀកបំពាក់បុរាណ
Eating tasty sushi.
រីករាយជាមួយនឹងការហូបអាហារដែលមានឈ្មោះថា sushi.
Sushi. Yeah. All right. And celebrating festivals with bright lanterns.
ហើយគឺធ្វើការប្រារព្ធពិធីជាមួយនឹងចង្កៀងគោម
and fireworks.
ហើយនឹងកាំជ្រួច
Okay, kids in Japan love anime.
ក្មេងៗនៅជប៉ុនវិញចូលចិត្តគូរូបបែបតុក្កតាចេញពីគំនិតរបស់គាត់
Manga and video games.
រូបតុក្កតាដែលយើងឃើញតុក្កតាជូបហើយនឹងgame
Japan is also a famous place to visit.
ជប៉ុនគឺជាប្រទេសមួយដែលគួរឲ្យចាប់អារម្មណ៍ដែលល្បីល្បាញសម្រាប់ទៅទេសចរ
Tourists come to see the beautiful cherry blossoms.
Cherry.
Yeah, cherry blossoms.
What is it?
It's a tree with a pink leaves. But yeah, the
ជា
cherry
ចរ
blossoms.
គឺទៅជប៉ុនគឺចង់ទៅទស្សនាអស់នេះអាផ្កាស្អីគេនោះអាផ្ការីកនៅជប៉ុនសារូរ៉ាគេនោះ
The tall Mount Fuji.
ហើយនឹងភ្នំដ៏ខ្ពស់មួយឈ្មោះថា Fuji ភ្នំនឹងល្បី
The busy streets of Tokyo.
The Fuji.
Busy streets of Tokyo.
I mean the big one.
Yeah.
បាទគឺជាភ្នំមួយដែលធំនៅក្នុងទីក្រុងតូក្យូ
And the peaceful temples in Kyoto. ហើយមានប្រាសាទមួយដែលគេហៅថាប្រាសាទសន្តិភាពនៅក្នុងទីក្រុង What the names Kyoto.
Kyoto ភាសាជប៉ុន
Kyoto. Kyoto. Kyoto.
Kyoto ចេះតែអាចវៈម៉ូតូ
Japan. All right. I know that you are going to learn something. You call here.
Okay.
And it has special designs that shows important parts of Japanese history.
ហើយលុយនោះគឺត្រូវបានរចនាជាពិសេសដែលបង្ហាញអំពីប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្ររបស់ប្រទេសជប៉ុន
Japan is a special place where the past and future come together in a magical way.
ប្រទេសជប៉ុនគឺជាប្រទេសមួយonce again
Yeah, come together.
ប្រទេសជប៉ុនគឺជាប្រទេសមួយដែលចូលរួមទាំងអស់គ្នាបង្ហាញអំពីប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្រនិងបច្ចុប្បន្នដ៏ស្រស់ស្អាត
Making it a wonderful country to learn about and explore.
វាជាជប៉ុនគឺជាប្រទេសមួយដ៏ស្រស់ស្អាតដែលធ្វើឲ្យជួយឲ្យយើងក្នុងការសិក្សាបន្ថែម
So, ladies and gentlemen, here ends our tour around the beautiful island called Japan. Thank you.
អរគុណអត់ទេដៃមួយ